Howdy, welcome to Papa John's World. The other day when I was running my MIG gun, the trigger wouldn't activate it and I'd have to mess with it and squeeze it, and eventually it'd start and then it'd quit and start. And I thought, man, that's horrible. Anyway, I looked at it and you can see where it's kind of melted, and it's probably don't owe me nothing. It's worked pretty hard in its life. I think we're going to change that trigger out instead of buying a whole new gun. I think that'll save us around $300. Just take, just take a pair of channel locks or not too aggressive pliers and just twist that, and it'll work its way over and up. Just be gentle, give it time. My wife says girl tight. I don't know what that means, but not having too much luck there. But there, it's got to come up over that little button, and then she comes. Okay, so twists a little bit and then goes straight up. Okay, the trigger pops out like that. And there's two wires, pretty easy. So we just pull the wires loose. And I don't believe it matters which one is which. I would think these are low voltage, but I don't know that for sure. So my welder is off and unplugged. Okay. That's the exact same trigger, and I got this one on Scamazon. Whoop. That's got to be, that little dot's got to be in there to hold that. Well, let's see if it works. Oh, look at that. How nice is it? Oh, and easy to pull compared to the old one. That old one, you can see it's tough to push. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. I wish I'd have done that a long time ago. Yeah. Good job. And it saved quite a bit of money, and that's always a good thing. Hey, thanks for watching Papa John's World. You never know what you're going to see here. Please subscribe. Watch all the neat stuff we do. Okay. Have a great day and be safe.